What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 10 of the holiday giveaway series. Now today is a great one. We're giving away an active pressure washer, the Active 2.0. This is their new one. More robust build, 200-hour lifespan, gets fantastic numbers, incredible unit. Once again, before we get into today's giveaway, let's go ahead and announce the winner of, day 8's giveaway. That was the Barrel Blade Brake Dust Cleaner from Carglaw and Aquashine from Carglaw. That one, I have in my notes here, we had 804 comments on. Did the random number generator, and that was number 213, and that was Santiago Gomez. So congratulations, Santiago, you are the winner. I'll reach out to you in the comments and I'll get your shipping information. We'll get that out to you ASAP. Now for everyone else, don't forget you still have an opportunity to win day 9's giveaway, which is the little pack from Cerakote. You get ceramic glass coat from Cerakote, trim coat, rapid ceramic paint sealant, and a headlight restoration kit. So make sure to go watch that video, comment on that, and follow the directions so you're entered to win that. Now let's get into today's giveaway. Okay, so like I said, today's giveaway is for the Active 2.0. This is the full kit. This one comes with the hose, the wand, all that good stuff. I still personally like going a little bit longer on the hose. It's not a super long hose, but if you're interested, go check out the video review I did of this thing. It gets phenomenal numbers. I've been using this in one of my mobile units just to test and see how robust it is, if it can stand everyday use in a professional environment, and I haven't had any issues with it yet. It's been fantastic. And I am running it on a 50-foot hose, and I haven't had any issues. Now, once again, we're keeping this giveaway super simple. All you have to do, comment down below, and I'll select a winner in 2 days. So this one will be on Tuesday. So good luck to everyone. And again, guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and then make sure to follow me on Instagram if you don't already. Big disclaimer also, I say this on every video with these giveaways, there are scammers that'll go in the comments and say that you won. You didn't win. Typically, they'll reach out to you and say that you won. And then when you reach out to them, they'll ask you for shipping or whatever else and try and get money out of you that way. Don't fall for it. It's not official. I announced the winners on camera so you guys know who actually won. So that's it for today's video. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and good luck to everyone. Thanks so much.